we've been getting a lot of new subscribers asking this question. Show you how we do the sod. Well, you set your sod cutter to the deepest notch, and then look at how the guys just took the shovel and they just every 18 inches go ahead and they cut it, and then they lay it just as it came out. It'll go back together just like a puzzle. It's that simple. Now, you want your sod cutter on the deepest notch? Look at that. Nice 2.5 inches of root. There's a sprinkler system here, so this stuff's going to stay green all year. It's going to look great. Everybody's repairing sprinkler line right now. There was a phone line back there that was not marked. We're taking care of that. And Valentine, he's getting the fabric in, pinning it, getting ready to drop the pipe in so that we can start putting our stone in. But that's how you want to take care of the sod. Be neat about it so that it doesn't become a real pain. You know, if you do it right, then you make less work for yourself. All right, guys, until the next video.